In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Photos. If you have a large photo library, searching can save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through hundreds or even thousands of images, Google Photos lets you quickly look for specific things that appear in your pictures. This is especially useful when you remember what was in a photo, but not exactly when you took it. To begin, open Google Photos in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll be on the main Google Photos page where your images and videos are stored. At the top of the page, you should see the search bar. This is where you'll enter the word or subject you want to find. In the search bar, type in a word like coffee or whatever you're trying to locate in your library. Google Photos will then search through your images and show results that match that term. In this example, it displays the photos containing coffee. This can be very convenient because you don't need to manually organize every picture in order to find it later. Google Photos is often able to recognize objects and subjects inside your photos automatically. Once the results appear, you'll be able to see the matching image or images on the screen. For example, if you only have one photo with coffee in it, then only one result will appear. If you have several photos with similar content, you may see multiple matches. This helps confirm that your search worked and makes it easy to open the exact photo you were looking for. You can also try another search term to see how flexible the feature is. Go back to the search bar and type in flowers. After entering that, Google Photos will show photos where flowers appear. Just like before, the app scans your library and brings up relevant images based on the word you searched. And that's really all there is to it. You can search for many different things, and Google Photos will show you images related to your search. A good tip is to use simple, clear keywords like food, beach, dog, car, or sunset if you want the best results. If one word doesn't bring up what you need, try a similar term and see if that works better. Once you get used to using search, finding old photos becomes much faster and easier. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference when you're trying to locate a specific memory in just a few seconds.